Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, today our topic in social science, part 1, that is history, is the Vernicular Press Act. Dear students, modeled or the Irish press laws were passed the Vernicular Press Act in 1878. These were the firstly laws made for the judicial disuse of press. These laws provided the government with tyrannical rights to censor reports and editorials in the vernacular newspapers. If a seditious report was published as opposing the government, the newspaper was warned, and if the newspaper did not heed to the initial warning, then the press was seized and the printing machinery confiscated. Dear students, nowadays you know that various acts, various rules and regulations have been made to use this press, whether it is electronic press, whether it is print media, whether it is social media. There are the various bindings through which all the activities of press are minutely viewed or looked after. Same was the case when the first press, the Vernacular Press Act, was formed. Its main idea was to look into the evils or the lacunas of this press using by the different reporters or the organizations. So if any person or organization was found guilty, he was given initially a warning. If it would mend its activities, then it was easy for him to continue his process, to continue his press material. If he failed to mend its activities, the press was seized. Such laws are even valid today as well. This was a complete violation of freedom of expression. Since we have the rights, since we have the duties, we have a right to express our views. Same was the case at that time. But due to one way or other, if there was seen any kind of violation of the rules put forward by the government, then they directly took the hard steps and to seize the material as well as the machinery and the men involved in it. When a powerful Indian press grew both in English and Indian languages, the press both in English and Indian languages criticized the British rule, and the native newspapers raised the grievances of Indian people, and thus the British government took this measure to introduce such laws. This all happened when India was under the confined rule of Britishers, and when the print media, the newspapers and the press pamphlets were published to highlight the harshness and the these black rules of the English government to the Indian citizens. These kind of ideas took place to produce the inner voice among the public, but against their views, against their freedom, the Vernicular Press Act was formed. So dear students, it was our today's topic. Let us go ahead tomorrow inshallah. Thank you very much.